Hello everyone. In this video, I'm thrilled to announce a revolutionary change we have officially made to the audio industry at PEQdB for real-time loudness normalization. Previously, we were not able to compensate the loudness under full scale or LUFS values in real time for the AB slider using the standard LUFS algorithms due to the computational requirements. However, the genius minds at PEQdB innovated a revolutionary solution to this problem. So how does this revolutionary loudness normalization method work? We took 915 songs, randomly cropped out 8 30-second segments for each of these songs, computed the average spectrum of each song using the Welch method, computed the true LUFS of the song using the standard LUFS algorithm but using the Fenton and Lee first filter instead of the K-weighting algorithm, interpolated 64 log-spaced values from the Welch average spectrum, with the first value being 0 Hz or DC, generated a set of random EQ filters within our parameter bounds, but compensated for the average PEQdB target as to reduce the extremities of these EQs. For each of these EQs, we apply the EQ to the segment and calculate the LUFS after. We then compute the magnitude frequency response of the EQ sampled at 63 different log space points. We then create a training pair with X equals a vector of 128 numbers, 64 values from the average spectrum, the LUFS before the EQ, and the 63 EQ magnitude frequency response values for a total of 128 numbers. And then Y is the LUFS after EQ minus the LUFS before EQ. And the neural network is trained to learn the function f of x is equal to y. Since the Welch spectrum only needs to be computed once, only when the song is uploaded, this results in O1 performance in real time. The only thing we need to recompute in real time is the 63 EQ spectrum values every time the filter sets change when the test progresses. We can form the X vector by using the cached 64 average spectrum numbers, cached true LUFS, and 63 real-time filter values. We also compute all of the neural LUFS for the AB slider values once at the start of every iteration. With all of that said, go to PEQdB, do any listening tests, the ranking, or the shootout, and go through the trials, and you'll notice that they all sound the same volume, and anytime you upload a new song, there's not going to be any differences between the original song, the inner cell, and whatever song you uploaded. At least they'll sound very close in level, because you could upload a song with very high dynamic range, and it would be a lot quieter than the default song, but that's not the case anymore. Any songs you upload in the playlist, they'll have about the same perceived volume, and when you go between the AB or the AB slider, it's just going to sound the same level, same loudness, same volume, whatever. But yeah, this is truly a revolutionary change in the audio space. No one has ever done something like this before. Yeah, PEQdB is just the greatest audio company ever.